How y'all doing? Welcome back to another video. Knocking out videos this week. I just want to talk today about the real cost of owning a motorcycle like this. My bike specifically. So the 450 from the factory, or off showroom floor. Brand new. This was going for I think $5,600. 5.6, 5.7. I don't exactly remember right now, but yeah. So that's how much it was after fees, shipping fees, and freight and handling, all that good stuff. I paid out the door $7,333, which is a little high, but at the time, like I said, it was brand new. So I know now you can get one of these probably close to like 4,000 if it's used. Really good used one, probably like 4,000. So there's that. But doggy. Now I didn't put anything down because my credit was just, oh no, credit was good. I didn't need to put anything down. Didn't really want to. Kind of wanted this bike to be like a credit boost anyway, so it's cheap. So that's what I did. So I pay $140 a month for this bike. I think that's like five years, I think. Yeah, so that's not that bad. So the actual upfront cost of owning this isn't that steep. If you want to put a down payment down, sure, go ahead. But you don't really need to, just because if you get a good APR, as long as you don't have like a 13% APR and you're getting shafted by interest rates, yeah, I think it's okay to finance a bike. Maybe not if you're a beginner, a new rider, and you're going to be ripping around super quick, because if you crash, you still got to pay all that money. So as a first bike, I would say to just go ahead and spend the money, or save up the extra money to buy it outright, or put a really big down payment on it. So yeah, then after that, insurance. You need insurance. I know a lot of states you need insurance before you can even take the motorcycle off the lot, or at least ride it off the lot. I don't know. So yeah, insurance. Make sure that you shop around for insurance, because some insurance companies will charge you $1,000 a month to have this bike. Yes, I said that right, $1,000 a month. That's the rates that I was getting, $1,000 a month. But once I discovered Dairyland, which is what I go through now. With Dairyland, when I first got it, Dairyland cost me $55 a month. Now, a year later, they upped me to $63 a month, which I don't exactly know why, but yeah, I mean, it's whatever. It's only like $8 more. So yeah, $63 a month. So in total, this bike cost me about $200 a month, which is not bad, honestly. Now for maintenance cost, if you want to go back to your dealer and get the first maintenance done, you can, but that's going to cost you a lot more than doing it yourself, because really all they do is like an inspection over your bike and an oil change. So if you want to just skip that and do an oil change by yourself or at home, you can do that. So whenever I get my oil for this bike, I just go on the CFMOTO website, type in the 450, and then they have oil change kits right there on the website that you can buy, and it'll be this little box that they will literally deliver right to your door. It comes with, I think, comes with 3 5-quart bottles, or like the smaller bottles. I don't know if that's 5 quarts. I forget. But it comes with 3 little bottles. Comes with the oil filter. Comes with a new crusher washer for your drain plug. So yeah, that's like I think like $60. So it's a lot better to do that than to go back to the dealership and pay. I know I paid, I think, $300 something for the first service, which I was not expecting it to be that much, but it is what it is. But yeah, besides that, maintenance, I haven't gotten high enough mileage to do anything else. I've just really been doing only oil changes. I haven't had to replace any brake pads or anything. Again, with the rear brake issue, I have videos on my channel about that, because the rear brake does lose pressure over time. I don't know why. I think it's usually like during the winter it'll lose pressure, because right now if I test mine, yeah, like I can, mine still works just as good as when I replaced it. So I have a video on my channel of me doing that replacement. So if you are interested in that and how I did that, then go ahead, watch that video. It's pretty simple. But besides that, for maintenance, it's really cheap. Maintenance isn't cheap. Insurance can be a lot if you don't know what you're doing. Yeah, besides that, yeah, if you want to get one of these, it is not that expensive. So you see how I didn't take that turn because that bush was blocking the way? If I took that turn, I would have been done. That's crazy. Anyway, I'll catch up y'all in a second. That was literally the loudest pump I've ever heard. Anyway, guys, I think that'll end this video. Because overall, maintenance-wise, this bike is not that expensive. Which, I mean, it's like most motorcycles. It's really all you need is you know, chain maintenance and make sure to keep up with your tires and stuff, tire pressure. But yeah, overall, pretty much that's pretty much it. So yeah, so if you like this video, then thanks for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.